to the Double Trouble Transformers fraternity. You are all the people who makes this life a better one. We just want to thank you for your overall support. You are doing amazing things in this COVID-19 era. We are just there to entertain you as Double Trouble Transformers. As for now, we are doing rehearsals for our second album, which is named Chishke Opano. So the album will be released in 2021. We will need to plan on the dates and so forth, but so far we have managed to do our first rehearsal. Then we are doing the second rehearsal on the 1st of October 2020. The album will be out. We are planning a massive album launch, as well as working with major retailers in Zimbabwe for the distribution of the album. As for now, just enjoy the music. Our first album is available on YouTube by the name Chizivi, so including the songs Tete, the Madora Hitmaker, and other songs and other skits in which we will enjoy. Have fun, just enjoy life. Just try to make a difference every day. In this life, we are just trying to make our best. Yes. This is Dream and Do series. You just dream and do what you want to do. As for the albums, we'll be releasing music. As for now, I don't have any competitor because what I believe that I am a better person on my own. We are trying to work, just grasping ideas from the leaders, from the band members, from the fans, and all your support is very essential to the success of Trouble Transformers music. Just enjoy music. Like us on Facebook, our Facebook page, Double Trouble Transformers. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Xavier Chawanda Zona. The songs to expect on our next album include Chishke Opano, Makuva, Upenyu, and other, which are almost hits in this generation. So we are just trying to see how the industry reacts, how the industry is going. Then we are taking a position in that industry to influence our position, to influence a change, to enforce a change in which the Sungura music genre will be recognized as one of the backbone types of music in Zimbabwe. Just enjoy life, they make a difference. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Sungura Philosopher @gmail.com. 112221 Siva Prona Janga Saforentede Pambera Louda Speaker Koresh, the King who conquered Babylon in